In this demonstration, we'll showcase how Audience AI utilizes a connected Gmail account through our Google Verified app. Starting from the Audience AI homepage, we'll navigate to Ada. From Ada, we'll proceed to Settings, then Connections, and click on Add Account, followed by selecting Gmail. Upon clicking Gmail, we're redirected to the Account Selection page, where we'll choose the Gmail account we wish to connect to Audience AI. Despite Google not verifying this app, we'll proceed by clicking Advanced and selecting the Go to Audience AI Mail link. We're then redirected to sign into Audience AI Mail, where Google permits access to our account information. After clicking Continue, we're presented with the Google OAuth consent screen, displaying the requested Gmail scopes such as viewing email messages and settings, and sending emails on our behalf. We'll select the scopes for Audience AI Mail to access, then click Continue. Once the account is set up, we're redirected back to our app, leading us to the Account Configuration screen. Here, we can add an email signature, meeting links, set a daily email cap, and toggle Account Active and Default Account. When Account Active is toggled on, this account can be used to send emails through outreaches. After saving our changes, we'll demonstrate how to send an email directly from Gmail through Audience AI. Navigating to our active outreach, we'll select the Gmail account we just configured and click Continue. We'll then send an email to our own account, resulting in a successful addition of the contact to the outreach and the email being sent. Switching to our Gmail account, we can see in the sent items that Audience AI utilized our Gmail account to send the email. Returning to Audience AI, we'll respond to the email we just sent, and then go to the Contact Activity timeline to showcase how activities are tracked. As displayed in the activity timeline, not only does Audience AI send emails via Gmail, but it also tracks the full communication activity, providing users with complete visibility. In conclusion, all data is stored securely, and Gmail access is used solely for sending and tracking outreach emails in the timeline.